See there are green ones, turn one, and there are ripe ones. I'm picking the ripe one now. It feels so good to know that I plant it and it's growing, and I have it in my hands. There are more here. There are more up here.
All right, more up there.
And here is young tomato suckers that I'm going to transplant for them to grow up. Yes. Thank you,
Wait, may I say thank you?
Thank you.
Oh, good
So you
job.
can see that you can plant your vegetable in a pan or in a bucket or anything and just water it, and you don't even have to fertilize, just water it. And just that's what you get. You get yielding. Yes. Hallelujah.
Thank you so much for watching this video. That it was exciting, and I hope you have a pleasant weekend.